Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to open Beyblades at AliExpress. Deals at China. Give 2 thumbs up if you like this video. First, we got Sprite. Today we got this one. Horizon on Beyblade Turbo. I know everyone like Turbo, and here's Fafnir. And is Zenith Velshia. Everyone like Velshia. Is God Velshia. This one got open. And we got this one. We can open this one right now because it's already open. Look. Here's this one. Now, Zenith Velshia. Next is Zenith Velshia. Sorry if you didn't get a zero. Here's Acobius. Oh, and here's stickers with this one. And here's the last one. He got a suction cup on bottom, but he don't have it right now, okay? Now we're going to open a Beyblade up. At his Genesis Reboots. They're playing together. I got it, sorry. Sorry, it kind of hard. Next, do Acobius. See? V is backwards, see? I need to do now Zenith Velshia. And here a first part of Zenith Velshia. And here middle of it. You can't take it off, it's hard. And now a turbo bottle. They put it together. Oh, and a stickers for put a Beyblades together what it look like in shows. They put it together now. Here is he. Zenith Velshia. Now his buddy Acobius. Now to the top of him. There's no scale because this a real Beyblade. Now is the middle. See? And bottom here. And we going to put it together. And boom, Cobius. And here's stickers of this. See? Okay. And now it's Jackson F3. F4. It's Jackson F3. Look, it can push. See? See? It can push. When you're not spinning, other Beyblades make it spin. And here's fucking F3. Now, here's fucking F3. See the green dot? And here's stickers. Now, everyone loves poison. And here's poison. I don't know what this is, but I think it's for toy and left or right. Yep. I was there a long way. You're supposed to do like this and turn it. It's not right, but I can't eat one. It's just too tight. We'll do it later, okay? Then, look, at top. It's so cool. Top is poison. And let's put them together. First, let's put this together. On. And the other way. Boom. Now, a bottom. Boom. It's poison. Do they look cool? Now, this one is a cool one. And here is a top meat of him. Sorry, I told you. And they're putting together. Boom. Him is real life cool. Now is him. A suction game shortcut table. Here's his top. See? The bond will have a suction cup on it, but that's okay. Let's turn it some bit. They get sticker top. Here is all of the Beyblades. See? I'll be right back. I'm going to put stickers on the Beyblades. Create your own right. I do that sometime. This is my first time I got them. And I know you want to know why a V backwards. I can switch it when we get a godship thingy. What's this coming off? We're gonna do battles later. We just doing test spins. I just twisted some bit. We should really will. The pool gonna hit the wall. Now I know, baby. Now just wait. No one will know it was poison weapon parts. These test being poison from Turbo. It will glow on that way we switch our parts. Need some time. We just got two. This one look cool. Even got your wing. The cool blades. Those are so cool. I like them. For watching this video, give me 2 thumbs up.